Hey guys, what is going on? So this is the Elephone A2, a phone that cost me $36. You might remember that I reviewed a phone that costed $34 not too long ago, but that phone wasn't really that good. It was made by Xcode and that whole brand is sketchy, but this is an actual good brand, so we're gonna see if this is good. Alright, so we get a nice little presentation. Okay, gotta admit, that looks pretty cool. I mean, of course it's plastic. Now I'll be damned, that looks like a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for $36. Okay, that is pretty nice actually. Okay, in the box we don't get too much, we just get our micro USB cable, a charging brick, and the battery. Okay, let's remove this. Alright, and that is the pre-installed screen protector. So this one has 8 gigs of storage, 1 gig of RAM, and the MediaTek 6580. And we get a nice little red battery that everyone loves for some reason. Oh, I just broke it. I actually just broke it. Why is this so tight? Oh man. This sucks because I was enjoying this design so much and it just breaks. Alright, maybe I can, if I close it back, it won't be that noticeable. Okay, finally got the rest off. But I also broke a bit here as well. Elephone, I mean, this is not okay. You give us a removable back. You make it so tight that this is inevitable. Or however you say, I don't know. I don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna get in contact with the seller. Maybe he'll send me a new one, who knows. Alright, I have a SIM card over here. Alright, this is generally for micro SIMs only, but maybe the nano SIM will work anyway. Alright, so the phone is all set up. This is apparently Android 8.1 Go edition. Oh, there, knife it just finished. Now I was able to put the back, but you can still see it a bit and you can feel it as well. So I really hope the seller gets back to me so he can send me a new cover or a new phone or something. But first impressions, I really do like the phone. It is pretty responsive for the specs it has and the price. The display is also pretty decent. So far this phone is shaping up to be something really nice actually. This looks like something that would cost $100, but it only cost me 36. So for that price, things are looking great. Alright, so first let's try knife fit. Okay, it is stuttering a bit. Yeah, it's lagging. Well, it is a bit laggy when it comes to gaming. I mean, this is a light game, this is knife fit, so I guess this phone isn't for gaming. Maybe if you can find a game that's even lighter than this, then, I mean, that requires less graphics, then I guess that it'll be fine. Now, another thing that's worth noting, the phone has 4 of these, and as you can see, it has like a pulsing light on this side and on this side as well. So this is our notification light. We have 4 of these on each side. So this is a pretty interesting idea. Okay, that you have some distortion there. Oh wow. Alright, so I am pleasantly surprised. The speaker is actually pretty good. I mean, I would say it's really good for the price. Remember, this is $36. And for that, the speaker it gets pretty loud. I mean, there are some times where it's a bit distorted, but other than that, the speaker is actually pretty nice. Okay, so we have the stock MediaTek layout, which I really can't complain. Alright, first selfie. Okay, let's go outside. Alright, this is rear-facing video on the Elephone A2. This tops up. This tops off at 720p, and it is pretty good. I mean, the frame rate is a bit low, but other than that, it actually looks pretty decent. Um, yeah, it's actually kind of raining right now, and I don't have an umbrella, so let's try the autofocus. Tapped on the screen, and yeah, it looks pretty decent for the price. Okay, and this is front-facing video on the Elephone A2. This tops up at 480p, and the frame rate on the front-facing camera actually looks like it has more, so I'm a bit overexposed. Okay, so I'm a bit overexposed, and there's nothing really I can do about it. But apart from that, the video actually looks pretty nice, gotta admit. So the cameras on this phone far exceed my expectations for the price. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much it. I just love these LED notifications. For other people, it's gonna be too much, but I actually like it. Now the fingerprint sensor. So the bad thing here is that it's actually gonna try and read your fingerprint while it's in your pocket. So it's always gonna say too many attempts. Try again later. But when it does work, see, look at that, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. This is unbelievable. I mean, it's not... Okay, now it's not working. Okay. But you get the point. So, if you're on a micro budget, should you get this phone? My answer is absolutely yes. I mean, for $86, you get so much. You get a decent camera, decent speakers, decent performance, all for $36. The only downside I could actually think of is the fact that this doesn't get removed that easily. And you probably will end up breaking it. And it doesn't matter how cheap the phone is. I mean, this is one of the most basic functions for one of these cheap phones is a removable back. So yeah, that sucks. So yes, this phone is absolutely worth it for $36. Alright, so I will see you in the next video, and peace out.